everyone, how are you? So I asked my fellow YouTuber friend Lori, she's a stay. I asked her what should I check out for Stray Kids, because I've seen that they come out with a lot of solo stuff, and I was like, where do I start? From who do I start? And she recommended I watch BANGCHAN's Railway and I.N Hallucination. I will be doing that. And then she said to me, well, checking them out together would make sense because that's how their living arrangements are now. So supposedly BANGCHAN and I.N live together now. That's the information I got, and that's the information I know now. The next ones that I will check out will be another couple that lives together. So I guess that's how we're gonna do it. Let's check it out. I'm excited. She said BANGCHAN's Railway is crazy and I.N's Hallucination is very good as well. So I have my expectations very high. Let's go. Oh my. BANGCHAN. I see your eyes. They look so cool. Let's go, BANGCHAN singer. I already love this. Ooh, I just have to say, ooh, I love this. You know what it reminds me of? Some The Weeknd songs. Like the singer, The Weeknd. Like the beat of the song reminds me of that. I love this. Don't get up your... I didn't say it is a The Weeknd song. I said it reminds me of it. Very nice. The singing, chef kiss. Woo! Wow. Like this part reminds me of a Weeknd song. He looks so handsome in this music video. Wow. What? He's a vampire. I knew it. Like from the start of the music video, I was like, he looks like a vampire, but I didn't see the teeth. Wow, is this a movie? Wow. Like I knew he could sing. He's so good. Ooh, the blood.
Yeah, this train never sleeps. Brace yourself, take a seat. Don't you care about the casualties? Cause it's safe when it's
This scene of him is so handsome. Wow. What's that sound? It's like some monster or somebody dying. Oh, yeah, look, there's a body. There's 2 feet. Was that him? Other him dead? What? Well, This song and the music video was very, it was very, how to even explain what I felt about this music video. It was very it was very provoking. Like, it was, the music video was very like dark, you know? It was very, very for adults, in my opinion. Like, I loved it. I was like, what is going on? And the song as well. Like, by the music video, you wouldn't think, it's like, to me, it's not like it's an adult situationship kind of song. Like, when two people are scared to be together, but then when they are, it's like fireworks and it's just amazing and like toxic almost, maybe, you know what I mean? Like the railway, hold on to the railway, baby, and stuff like that. It's like, I don't know, is it a metaphor for himself, with himself, or with a partner or somebody he wants to be with, but they're scared to be with each other, you know, because it is so toxic? I honestly, I have to say, I don't get the metaphor of the train. Like, the train never stops. I don't know, I just don't get explained to me. I really don't get it. I was like trying to think through the whole song. It's like, what does it mean by the train never stops? Like, what is the metaphor behind that? Maybe I'm too stupid right now and I just can't think of it, but I just don't understand the metaphor behind it. The whole song, I don't know, it was very good. I really liked the song. Like, the song was very good, you know what I mean? This is it was very provoking. It was like, I feel like if I think it in a way that it was about a relationship, then it's very relatable for a lot of adults, in my opinion, you know? Very sexy music video as well, you know, despite all the blood and stuff. It was a sexy music video. It reminded me of Red Lights that BANGCHAN did with Hyunjin. That's what it reminded me of, like, concept wise, you know what I mean? Obviously there weren't like vampires and stuff in there, but it was very sexual in that way for me. Maybe somebody can look at it and be like, oh my god, this is just complete horror, but it was very like adult horror sexual. I don't know, Taria. It was not a very typical K-pop music video. That's what I will say. It was, you know, crossing some boundaries for K-pop, in my opinion. Anyways, let's get to I.N's Hallucination. I'm not ready. Okay, lyrics by Changbin, Thiracha, and I.N. Composed by Changbin, Thiracha, I.N. Okay, cool. That's very nice. Good to know. Ooh, the beat. Whoop. The beat goes hard. Are you joking? Oh my god! This goes hard! What? I'm sorry, we are going back to that chorus. Are you joking? That went harder than it needed to go. There was so many interesting sound effects in this song, in this chorus. So many amazing whoa, I.N and Changbin and the other person, they did such a good job. Oh my god, let's go back. The come. Stop. No. And the dancing? Hurry. I.N? You. Oh! The little things production-wise that's going on in the background. Oh! Hello, I.N's belly. How are you doing? Very, very good, I see. Let's go back. I love this. Oh my god. It looks marvelous. Wow. Because I can. Why am I... I.N. What can I say? That was a great song and a great music video. Am I gonna watch this music video again, you ask? After I finish recording? None of your business. Yeah.
Stop it. Get some help.
Great out of 10, 10 out of 10, 11 out of 10. Both him and BANGCHAN did a very good job. A very good job. I can't wait to check out everybody else's. The way I said at the start of the video that my expectations are very high because my friend Lori said they're amazing songs and music videos. The expectations were overreached. You know what I mean? They went above and beyond. What else can I say? Very aesthetically pleasing music videos, both. I.N's in some places, maybe a bit more. Yes, I sound like a 29 pervert right now, okay? But I'm a single 29 pervert. I can do that, okay? It was I saw I.N in a different light. You know, for me, I saw him in a different light. That's all I'm gonna say. Because BANGCHAN, I've seen in that light already. And it was in red lights. I've seen him in that light. And now I've seen him in that light again in Railway. I.N, however, I have not seen in that light. I've seen it. I liked it. That was very nice. Very nice. Very nice. But I felt something when I saw some of the scenes from the music video. And that's what I'm gonna leave it at. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Like if you had. Subscribe if you still haven't. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.